Welcome to this lesson on phagocytosis, one of the most fascinating processes in cell biology. Phagocytosis is how cells literally eat solid particles. This process is essential for our immune system and helps keep our bodies clean and healthy. Let's explore how cells accomplish this remarkable feat. Phagocytosis is a specialized type of endocytosis where cells engulf and internalize large solid particles. These particles can be bacteria, dead cells, or cellular debris. The word phagocytosis comes from Greek roots. Phago means eating, cyte means cell, and osis means process. So literally, it means the process of cell eating. This is an active process where the cell membrane wraps around the particle and brings it inside. Phagocytosis has 4 key characteristics that make it unique. First, it targets large particles, specifically those bigger than 0.5 micrometers in diameter. Second, it requires energy in the form of ATP, making it an active transport process. Third, it plays a crucial role in immune defense, serving as the primary mechanism for clearing pathogens and cellular debris. Fourth, the process involves extensive membrane remodeling through actin cytoskeleton rearrangement, which allows the cell to change shape and engulf particles. Phagocytosis occurs in 4 distinct steps. Step 1 is recognition, where cell surface receptors detect and bind to the target particle. Step 2 is engulfment, where the cell membrane extends arm-like projections called pseudopodia around the particle. Step 3 is phagosome formation, where the particle becomes completely enclosed in a membrane-bound vesicle called a phagosome. Step 4 is digestion, where the phagosome fuses with a lysosome, and digestive enzymes break down the particle into smaller molecules. Certain cells in our body are specialized for phagocytosis and are called professional phagocytes. The 3 main types are macrophages, neutrophils, and dendritic cells. Macrophages are tissue-resident immune cells that constantly patrol and clear debris from tissues. Neutrophils are the first responders to infection sites, traveling through the bloodstream to reach areas of infection quickly. Dendritic cells are antigen presenters that bridge the gap between innate and adaptive immunity by processing particles and displaying them to other immune cells. Phagocytosis serves 4 critical functions in the body. First is immune defense, where it eliminates bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens that could harm us. Second is cellular cleanup, removing dead cells and tissue debris to prevent accumulation. Third is antigen presentation, where phagocytes process particles and display antigens to activate the adaptive immune system. Fourth is maintaining tissue homeostasis, keeping balance during development, wound healing, and normal tissue maintenance. It's important to distinguish phagocytosis from another process called pinocytosis. Phagocytosis targets large solid particles greater than 0.5 micrometers and uses pseudopodia extensions to engulf them. It's performed mainly by specialized immune cells. In contrast, pinocytosis involves the uptake of fluids and small molecules less than 0.5 micrometers through membrane invagination. Pinocytosis occurs in most cell types, not just specialized cells. Both are forms of endocytosis, but they serve different purposes. Let's review the key points about phagocytosis. First, phagocytosis is the cellular process of engulfing large solid particles. Second, it requires energy and involves membrane remodeling with pseudopodia extensions. Third, it's essential for immune defense, clearing pathogens and cellular debris from our body. Fourth, it's performed by specialized cells like macrophages and neutrophils. Remember, this cell-eating process is constantly happening in your body, keeping you healthy and protected from harmful invaders.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.